INNIO's Jenbacher remanufacturing program gives your engine a new life. As the experts who built your Jenbacher gas engines, INNIO understands that uptime is everything.
Our extensive reciprocating gas engine expertise, our fleet management knowledge, and our advanced production know-how come together to give your engine a new, longer life.
To meet your individual requirements, INNIO offers you a choice. Our remanufacturing programs are available for your entire engine or for specific engine parts. We call our remanufacturing products re-up engines and re-up spare parts. No matter what you choose, all remanufacturing programs, in short, our reman programs, follow the same process steps. The first step of our remanufacturing process is to disassemble your engine into its parts. Next, our skilled personnel carefully clean and inspect each part.
We then remanufacture and test every reusable part of your engine. Our remanufactured products must meet the same strict quality standards and specifications that we apply to our new parts and engines.
With our re-up parts, your Jenbacher plant's performance and reliability are enhanced, and you save money while also reducing environmental impact.
That's because we take great care to reuse materials and components as much as possible in our remanufacturing process. We only replace parts when absolutely necessary.
All of INNIO's re-up products are holistically and systematically remanufactured to the original or latest technology specifications, increasing engine performance and minimizing wear. All worn parts that do not meet our strict requirements are replaced by new OEM parts. Because INNIO's re-up parts are optimized to work with all other Jenbacher engine parts, you receive the same factory warranty as you would receive for our new Jenbacher parts.
Updating your used Jenbacher engines to the latest technology standards is our passion. This is what drives us every day at work. With our comprehensive portfolio of upgrade packages for your engine, we can help you meet your individual needs for higher performance, more efficiency, or specific emissions requirements. Every part is comprehensively checked before we deliver it to you. By doing so, we provide measurement accuracy up to the micrometer, 1/1000th of a millimeter.
Every test is recorded and saved electronically to maintain quality control. Also, every overhauled re-up engine is tested before it is delivered to you.
We check all of the values as agreed with you in detail and prepare all necessary configuration requirements in the factory ahead of time, so you can put your engine into operation as quickly as possible.
With INNIO's optional exchange program, you can significantly increase your plant's availability. We supply you with re-up engines or re-up parts before you return your used ones to us. Our customers are often surprised that they can't tell the difference between our overhauled engines and our new engines, or our remanufactured parts and our new parts.
Of course, we apply fresh paint before packaging for transport, and everything remains protected until assembly at your site. When you opt for our remanufacturing program, we offer you our proven manufacturer quality for your engines and parts, as well as the reliability and durability found in our new engines and parts.
This is all possible because the experts at INNIO are part of the team who built your engine in the first place.
Are you interested in our INNIO Jenbacher remanufacturing program? In our re-up engines or re-up parts? Just contact us. We will be happy to make you a customized offer that meets your specific needs.
INNIO Jenbacher. Energy solutions. Everywhere, every time.